Right. So many times we will need to find the value or price of a bond using the financial calculator Texas BA2 plus. So it's quite straightforward. Let us take an example. Suppose we have got this bond, rupees 100 face value, 8% coupon, 7-year annual bond, and the required rate is 9%. YTM is 9%. So this rupees 100 becomes your future value FV. This 8% translates to 8 rupees, which is your PMT. 7 becomes your N, and this 9% becomes your IY. So let us see on a calculator how we will input all of this. So let us say 100 is your FV, 8 is your PMT, 7 is your N, 9 is your IY, and we want to compute PV. So CPT PV. So price I am getting 94.967. So 94.97. The present value is the price, right? And it gels with what we know. The YTM 9% is more than the coupon. So price has to be less than the par value. So it is less than 100. So this is how you find out the price of the bond.